Hey there, I'm Kimberly, and in this Basecamp Basics video, we're talking all about projects. Now, I've said it before, but projects are the heart and soul of Basecamp. To understand how Basecamp works, you have to understand what a project is. So I want to take just a few minutes to break it all down so that you can decide what type of projects make sense for how you work. Now, there are lots of ways you can use projects, but I like to think of a project as one organized collection of stuff related to your work. Projects typically fall into one of four categories: your entire company, a team or department, time-based work, or a subset of work that's part of a larger initiative. Let's take them one at a time. First up, a project can be used as a hub for your entire company. That's actually one of the ways we use Basecamp internally at Basecamp. We have one project that everyone in the entire company is a part of. It's where company-wide announcements are shared, documents that everyone may need to access are stored, and where we communicate about all kinds of company news. Breaking that down even smaller, a project can be used for an internal team or department. So I'm a part of the customer success team here at Basecamp, and we have our own customer success project. Instead of the entire company being on this project, it's limited to just those people who are either on the customer success team or whose job functions interact with our department in some sort of way. This allows for more focused discussions and file sharing than the entire company project would allow for. For you, that might mean you have a project just for the accounting team, or customer support team, or even the executive team. Projects can also be used for time-based work, or work that has a defined start and end date. So prior to working at Basecamp, I was an event planner, and each event that I was planning had its own Basecamp project. When my company was hired, we would start a project, and once that event was complete, that project would get archived. So unlike a company-wide project or a department project that would be ongoing indefinitely, time-based projects are one for temporary work, or work that will eventually be complete and tied up with a bow. Now, sometimes projects are complicated, and it's helpful to break them into even smaller segments. Some people call these sub-projects, but to us, they're just another project. So let's say you have a time-based project to build a house. While it might work for you to have everything related to that house in one project, you might find your work easier to organize if you had smaller, separate projects like plumbing, electrical, roofing, flooring, wall coverings. You get the idea. So now that you have a feel for what projects are and how you can make them work for you, let's dive into how to get them set up. I'll see you in the next video.